It is starting to get cold here in Colorado. We had our first freeze last night, and with that, it's plow truck season again. I want to share with you the SKYMO Radio Mount. Now, I call it a radio mount because that's really what it's designed to hold. But as you can see, it works great for controllers like this that have kind of the U-shaped brackets that are very similar to most mobile radio brackets. And we have these for a variety of different trucks. This one actually fits Ram trucks. It fits the 2013 Plus Ram truck with the split bench seat and 3 cup holders like this. All you have to do is press it right onto the center console cup holder and it stays in place. The mount has some height adjustability, so if you want to move your controller up or down, you can do so. And we have custom fit mounts like this for Chevy and GMC trucks. We have them for Ford trucks. We have them for Ram trucks. And if we don't have something that's custom fit to your vehicle, I'd highly encourage you to check out part number 20117A. And that is going to be an adjustable mount. It's not vehicle specific, so it's 2 pieces that are connected by 2 bolts, and you tighten those bolts down and the whole mount clamps to your console cup holder or sidewall. The actual mechanism that you're using to attach your controller to the radio mount in that adjustable mount works the same exact way as you're seeing it on this mount, but it does provide you with a lot of flexibility. And a lot of people like them, especially for work trucks, because they can move them between trucks. If you change your truck, you can just swap it right over to the other truck, and since it's not vehicle specific, it doesn't really matter what make and model it is. So as it starts to get a little bit colder this season, if you're looking for a solution like this, I'd highly encourage you to check out SKYMO.com. Everything is organized by make and model there, so hopefully it's pretty simple to find what you're looking for. If you have any questions about these radio mounts, drop a comment. I'll do my best to answer them. We make all of them right here in Colorado. They are made and assembled in Colorado. They are shipped from our Denver warehouse. And I'm really excited to share these with you because I think they're gonna make a lot of controller installations in plow trucks a lot simpler. And if you wanna get some feedback from other people that have used these for plow controllers, if you go to SKYMO.com, go all the way down to the bottom and click all reviews, you can sort the reviews by photos. And if you look through the photos there, you'll see some review photos that people have left with these types of controllers installed in their trucks. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great winter. I'll see you next time.